Sexism in Language, A Legacy of Male Thought Process. This article is written by two authors. First author Nasreen Pervin. Last author Munira Nasreen Khan. Contribution and originality of the study is that, this study contributes in the existing literature of the English and Bengali language and originates a formula to see how far they have come to integrate words to address both sexes and become gender-friendly. This study is one of very few studies which has investigated sexism in Bangla language. This paper attempts to stress the premise that sexism, in its misogynistic form, is a deeply rooted legacy that persists very commonly amongst ordinary populace in societies across the geographical boundaries. It has therefore been implanted in the language systems and has taken root in mass psyche. By reflecting it in social practices, behavioral norms and institutional policies, it has denied half of the human race for centuries from their rightful places, hindered their development while depriving human civilization from contribution that could have come had their full potential been allowed to develop. It examines how sexism has intruded in language system and tended to discriminate women by rendering them invisible, perpetuating the notions of male supremacy. Assiduous movement to identifying it and taking corrective measures requires mindful effort, and it may be quite some time before it could be effectively eradicated, if at all. It is also recognized that its presence in the communication organism does, even though faintly, influence thought processes, both of the users and the sufferers, and any effort to challenge sexism in the wider arena of social life should be incomplete without addressing it in the language system. Thanks for watching this abstract video of International Journal of English Language and Literature Studies Volume 6 Issue Number 4.